Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to review the Epson ECOTANK ET-2800. We're going to go through the setup and I'm going to tell you a few things I like and don't like about the printer. Let's start with unboxing. The first thing as we open up the box is the quick setup guide and also the CD with the drivers and software. Now you can also download this information from the Epson website. For me, it's really easier to download it from the website. Next, we have the ink bottles. You'll have 4 ink bottles, a black, and the rest are for the color printing. And over in the corner of the box, you'll find a standard power cable for the printer. Next, I have the printer. I'll pull the printer out of the box. This printer weighs just under 9 pounds. Now, I did notice a few cons, a few things I didn't quite like. There are no USB or SD card slots in this printer. Also, the colors are not as brilliant as other printers, according to some of the reviews. Personally, I don't print many photographs, so I don't really have anything to compare it to. Also, the plastic is a little cheap for a printer of this price range. The printer is more expensive, but hopefully I will save money in the long run with the cost of the ink. Basically, this is what we have: the printer, the ink, the manual with the CD, and the power cord. I'm going to get started on setting this up. I'll take everything out of the packages. As I continue to set up, I want to tell you about the things I do like. You may be wondering, why would you buy a printer if it had that many cons? Honestly, every printer is going to have some disadvantages. Nothing's going to be perfect. As we continue, one of the biggest things is you should save money on ink. And another thing I like about the printer is it does have a built-in scanner and copier. Also, it has built-in Wi-Fi, which I will be using as our method to connect to it in our home. It does have a 2-year warranty if you register the product online. Next, we're going to remove all the blue tape used for packing. Make sure you get all of it. I'll plug the power cord into the back of the printer. The other end I'll plug into the wall. Press the power button to turn it on, and if you're going to use the USB connection method, don't plug in the USB to your computer yet. Next, on the front panel of the unit, we're going to press OK for English, and I decided to use the app, so press OK also on yes, and then scan the QR code. After you scan the QR code, download the app and install the app on your phone. I'm using an Android, but you can also do this on an iPhone as well. The app for me would not let me go any further unless I gave permission for Epson to know my location, so I finally gave in and went forward. The app is pretty self-explanatory. It's going to ask you questions. You just hit next or answer the questions. Right here, I selected the printer, then selected yes. Once the app got connected to the printer, again, it goes step by step on what you should do. The next step is to install the ink. I'll open the ink cap cover and the cap over the black ink. Now, if you have any doubt on any of this while you're setting up, the app has plenty of pictures and instructions to lead you through it. So they actually did a pretty good job so far on telling you what to do. Next, grab the black ink bottle, take the cap off, then get ready to pour it in, just like this. Then you should see the black ink emptying in. If you look on the side, you'll see the reservoir filling up with the black ink. When it gets filled up, you pull the bottle off, then close the cover. You'll repeat this for the other colors. They did make it foolproof, so you can't put one color into the wrong one. Now that all the ink is in, I'll close the last cap, then close the ink cover. Now the ink is installed, so I'll select yes, continue. This starts the ink initialization process. In this process, this will take up to 11 minutes, and it looks like it took the entire 11 minutes to do this, so just stand back and wait. The next step is setting up the Wi-Fi. The app will lead you through selecting the right Wi-Fi network and entering your password. If you do have some problems with it, your screen will show an error. On the screen, you just select yes for printing a report. You print that report out, and the report will tell you exactly what is wrong. Then you can go from there to troubleshoot it. The app will ask you how you want your home screen. Do you want to use the cards display or the tiles display? I decided to go with the tiles display. In the back, you'll open up the little slot to put the paper in, slide the little blue edge guide so that you can fit the paper in, load your paper, and as far as the printer is concerned, you're ready to go. And then you'll need to install this printer onto your computer or tablet or whatever you're going to print from. Next, I installed the printer onto my Mac computer, printed a test page over the network, and the quality of it actually looked really good. And then I noticed that the screen does fold out, and you can put it at the angle that's easier for you to read and control. Next thing I did was test out the copier, just put the instruction manual on it, selected copy, and pressed OK. The copy came out pretty good. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have one of these printers and have noticed something I may have left out, please leave your comments in the comments section. Also, if you would like one of these printers and would like to order one from Amazon, I'll leave our affiliate link in the description below. And remember, if you click on that, order from that link, we do get a small commission from it.